How to create Shopee seller account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Shopee seller account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopee, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopee, it is a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan, offering a wide range of products including electronics, fashion, beauty, home essentials, and many more, in which Shopee provides a user-friendly interface and mobile-first approach, catering to a region's growing number of digital shoppers. And the platform also features integrated logistics, secure payment systems, and in-app services like Shopee Pay and Shopee Live, enhancing both buying and selling experience. And in selling in Shopee, you can also use some other platform that will help you to have some of the products or to get your suppliers, such as this platform called Alibaba.com that offers a variety of also product, same as on Shopee, in which it will show you a variety of products in here that you can choose from. For example, this one, if you try to click on it, it will show you all of these details including the title, the images in here, the corresponding prices, the description, the feedback, and many more. And also you can use this product to get a suppliers on this Alibaba.com platform, which also applicable to do using your Shopee seller account. However, to start using these details in here in the product, if you want to sell this kind of product, all we need to do is to simply go to our Shopee account. Just simply go back in here and click the seller center on the left side panel on the top left. By clicking on it, you also need to fill out the shop information, business information, and those including the several important details such as your basic information, email address, mobile number, and also your password for logging in, your shop name, shop logo, shop description, or brief introduction about your products and services, your complete address, contact person, bank account details, and many more. And now once you're done filling out the required information, just click go to add products in here. To successfully add a product, all we need to do is to simply fill out again some of this information including our basic info, to add an images, for instance, of our product in here. All you need to do is to simply save the product of this image. And after saving it in Alibaba, you can simply paste or upload it in here by clicking the plus add image button right here. And as you can see, it is now currently added. You could also add more images if you want to by saving it. But going back on this page, the next thing that you need to do is to add the title in here by copying and pasting it directly on this page. All you need to do is to simply paste under this product name. You could also add a product video if you want to. Make sure to also follow some of the requirements in order to upload the corresponding video. By choosing categories, you can choose these recommended categories right here. And also for the description, you can simply enter here manually the description that you want, or simply copy and paste some of the description in here in our Alibaba. It will show you below if you try to scroll down. So it will show you in here some of the things that need to consider, and also a warning right here. At this point, I'm just clicking this description and it will show us this warning disclaimer. So at this point, I'm just simply copying all of this. And after copying or selecting all of this, you simply go back to our Shopee to add the product and simply paste the description that we just copied from Alibaba. But you can add more description about your product in here, including the size, some of the variations that this product offer, the voltage, and many more. And after that, below under specification, you can add also the brand, the kind of font or font type in here. But you could also see here on Alibaba.com or on your supplier's details. For the font type, I'm just going to simply enter here, for example, others. Well, for the weight, I'm just going to simply choose here a random weight. But you can simply use this one as your guide for the key attributes or description about your product that you are selling on Shopee. And make sure that all of these weight dimensions such as the length, width, and height in here are accurate. But at this point, I'm just going to simply enter here randomly. You also need to choose the country of origin, the power consumption, which you could also see here, right here. All you need to do is simply choose here or input here directly. But at this point, I'm just going to simply fill out all of the required information, including the input voltage and other key attributes that you can find on your Alibaba.com. So basically, when a customer try to order using your Shopee account or Shopee seller account, all you need to do is simply contact your suppliers and input some of the details of your buyers or your customers. And all of those, including their address, the quantity of the orders, of the parcel, and many more. You could also choose here below, as you can see, the key attributes for the type of AC or DC fan. Or alternatively, you can simply copy all of this or use to add to your description on here. However, let's say you're now done, you can now proceed by navigating to the product certification, where you can add your certifications to upload in here by clicking add certification button, and choose here to upload at least 3 files if you want to. But if you only have one, you can do it also. Now, for the certification number, just simply enter here and also choose the expiration date. I'm going to choose, for example, on 2029 and on June 15 in here, and then click the confirm button. And once done, you could also fill out the sales information by simply choosing here the variations, also the specific prices and other shipping payments or fee if it is not free shipping. Or you could also add an e-commerce tax if you have on your specific area or country of origin. And when a customer tries to purchase on your Shopee, you simply go here to your Alibaba suppliers and choose which kind of product your customer already purchased on your Shopee, and contact them directly in order to send the products. But make sure in pricing or setting your price on your Shopee to make it more higher than the actual price on your suppliers in order to earn a profit from it. And if you scroll down in here on this product, it will show you by clicking the supplier all of the supplier info, including the online store performance, this on-time delivery rate, store rating, the services, quality control, the responses time, and many more. And now moving on to this, you can add here more stocks, but I'm going to enter, for example, 1000 stocks. You'd also add a price tier for wholesale, the weight for the shipping, also in here to calculate the shipping fee depending on the weight of each product that you are selling. At this point, I'm just going to simply enter here a random parcel size and add a shipping options in here to proceed. Moving on, you could also click the other, which is the condition, which is new. And if you're now done, just click save and publish button, but make sure to fill out the required information in order to be proceed, including the shipping. We have here to choose the shipping channel. I'm going to choose the standard local, which is JNT Express, and click the confirm button to proceed selecting it. You could also add your payment method, such as your bank account for your auto withdrawal, and all of these are needed in order to start creating your Shopee seller account. And once done, you can now start selling on Shopee. And overall, that is just basically how you can start creating Shopee seller account. Thank you.